Hello my lovely people, welcome to Zinat Kitchen. I hope and pray wherever you are all well and safe. Today I'm not going to do any cooking. I will just show you how to make a very lovely and refreshing juice. It's a mango lassi. It is very famous in India and Pakistan. It's mango lassi. I will show you the ingredients and how I proceed. Now I'm going to show you all the ingredients. The main one is mango pulp. You can use any brand, but make sure that it is very sweet. Look, it's sweet and sweetened here. You can do it with fresh mango as well. And you need yogurt. If you can have very thick yogurt, Greek yogurt is very good, but I'm using this one. And some sugar, for those who want more sweet, they can have sugar. And milk, if you don't want it too thick, you can just put a little bit of milk. But I'm going to show you a very easy way, only with 2 ingredients. Just mango pulp and yogurt. Let's get started then. You need the same measurement for mango pulp and the yogurt. It's the same quantity this. So I will put the yogurt in the blender. So you use the same measurement to make the lassi. This is a yogurt pot which is 400 grams. I'm going to put that in the blender all together. There we are, it's empty now, and now the mango pulp has to be the same amount like the yogurt. Here we are, 1 full pot. Here it goes in the blender as well. Okay, I will just blend it and come back to you. Here we go. It's done. It doesn't take long to do. There we are. 1 full jug. Right, you can top it up with ice, but I want my ice only in the glass. Okay? Now I will have to taste it for you to see. I have already put my ice in the jar, in the glass. Look. Very nice and refreshing. Please give it a try. Thank you for watching. I hope you like the video. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. And thank you very much for all of you who are supporting my channel. If you're watching me for the first time, please go and subscribe so you don't miss any of my recipe. I'll see you in my next recipe. Thank you very much. Bye bye and bon appetit.